In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete apps on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. That is two different ways to do this, so I'm going to show you both, but the first way is through your home screen. First, find whatever app you want to delete and just press and hold down on that app. Let's just say I want to delete, TikTok for the example of this video. So press and hold down on that and you're going to see an option to remove app. Go ahead and select that, and then you're going to see a delete app and a remove from home screen option. If you want to fully remove it, hit delete app and then confirm by hitting delete again. Another way to do this is just by long pressing an empty space on your home screen until the app starts shaking and then using the minus icon and then selecting delete app and confirming. But the second way is actually going to be through your settings. So open up your settings, scroll down to the general tab, open it up, and then find your iPhone storage on here. And then from here, you could go ahead and search whatever app it might be, like TikTok again, select it, and hit delete app. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can delete apps here on an iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.